At the end of the otoTune tutorial, you will be asked to take a 2-button, 3-minute, clinically validated hearing test. You will want to take the otoTune hearing test in a quiet location. There's a noise meter on the app that will help you decide if your environment is quiet enough. If the noise meter level is not below the required line, take the hearing test in the quietest location possible. Listen carefully to the tones that the test plays and press the corresponding right or left button when you hear a tone on your left or right ear. The tones will vary in pitch from high to low. Depending on your hearing loss, you may not be able to hear all of the tones that are played. At the end, you'll be given your results in the form of a report card. Press the program button to calibrate your Sontro hearing aids to match the amplification settings from your hearing test.